Come test drive the 2023 Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a good-looking crossover with bold styling. An 8-inch infotainment screen offers the latest in technology and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.